Hello. Hey, this is Gustavo Martinez. This is my project presentation for electronics circuit analysis class with Brother Nelson as instructor. The project description was to build a simple electric or electronic project. I've been working with cars since more than 6 years, and when I was looking for a project to build, I found very interesting to build a battery tester, simple and easy to use. So I did a battery tester. I'm gonna start sharing my screen. So the basic ideas of this the basic ideas and specification and how it works is next. So the simple battery level indicator circuit is designed to work with a workload of up to 14 volts, the normal on a car battery, with 3 LEDs working as is shown in the next table. So when the voltage is 11 volts or more, all the LEDs, red, yellow, and green, are going to bright together. If the voltage is less than 11 volts, the red and yellow LEDs are going to turn on together. But if the voltage is less than 7 volts, but more than 3 volts, the red LED turn on. Less than 3 volts, no LED turn on. So the circuit is based on 4 components: resistors, transistors, Zener diodes, and LEDs. The resistor is a component to resist the flow of current, and the transistor is like a switch, a current flowing from the base to the emitter opens the flow of current, the collector to the emitter. I want to show you this a little bit more. So the Zener diodes are semiconductors diodes which have been manufactured to have their reverse breakdown occur at a specific well-defined voltage, the Zener voltage. And that is designed such that they can be operated continuously in the breakdown mode. So the power list, there is 5 resistors, 220 ohms, 470 ohms, 330 ohms, and 2 10K ohms. The LED, there are 3 colors, red, yellow, and green, 2 transistors, BC548, and 2 Zener diodes, one at 6.2 volts and the other one at 10 volts. So this is the schematic diagram. Resistor 1, 2, 3, Zener diode, resistor, transistor, resistor, and the LEDs. So basically, it works in this way. Let me show you. This is a software simulator. So when we have 12 volts on the circuit right here, so all the breakdowns of the Zener diodes are open. The current flow through all of them and go through this transistor to the base and all of them through the LED. So let's start with the beginning. So with 3 volts, the current is flowing a little bit through this resistor. On this resistor, the current is present but is not flowing because of the Zener diode. So if I put less than, the current is still there but doesn't light on the LED. Okay, so let's see with 5 volts. In 5 volts, the current go through the resistor 2, and then here it stops because of the transistor. Here it stops too, and then go through the LED that is free to flow. If I add more current, more voltage, let's see, 7. So the current start going through this resistor because the breakdown of this Zener diode is 6.2. We have 7 volts. So the current start flowing through this. The transistor, the base, allow current flow through the base through the emitter, and that starts. And that allows to the current flow through the LED through the transistor. If I add more voltage like this, so it's more current flowing through this. Okay, the current is here, but it doesn't go through because of the Zener diode. If I add 11 volts, the Zener diode will start to glow a little bit. Okay, so this is how the circuits works. Okay, well, now after the design of the circuit in the simulation software, I did use a breadboard to build the battery tester right here. Okay. Then I go to the final product. This is how I do it. This is the weld. And I used like a small box to enclose my project. Okay, so let me show you the real thing now. This is the project right here, and I'm gonna use this 9 volts battery right here, and these two 1.5, which I put in series, is gonna be 3 volts. So the first one is gonna be 3 volts. So and how you see the red LED is turning on. All right. So 9 volts, red and yellow. 12 volts. It's gonna be a little hard to put it together. It's in series. It's 12 volts. So this is the project. I just used like a wallet box to put it together. All right. Well, this is my presentation. Thanks for watching.